guys, welcome back to It's Cheer Time. As you saw in the thumbnail, we are gonna make a cool swirl design like this. Don't worry because it's actually super easy. Hee hee, let's start. First, click on brushes. Then, click on the width. I'm going to set the width as 3 because I think 3 is perfect. Then, click on brushes again and then take the patterns block. I suggest you to pick the rainbow design because it looks prettier, but you can experiment. Now, click on loops and get the large loop block. Now set the first text as 1. The second text as 500. And the third text as 1. Now click on the eye and click on links. Now click on actions and click on the move forward block first block and remove the text. After that, click on variables. Then, click on the links variable and place it in the empty place next on pixels on the move forward block. Then click on actions again and click on the second block called turn right. And finally make the degrees as 91. And, wow, there you have it. So colorful and nice. Let's run it. Wow, wow. That was so cool. Anyway, if you understood my tutorial and how to do this design, like and subscribe to It's Cheer Time. Bye.